I'm thrilled to have this opportunity to introduce myself. So, I'm a passionate and dedicated nursing student currently studying at PCU Mary Johnson's College of Nursing. I believe that a positive attitude and a genuine desire to help others are essential qualities in nursing, and I strive to embody these values every day. I graduated at Pasig City West High School and was once nominated as high school class president and soon graduated with honor. When it comes to my strength, I pride myself on being an excellent communicator and a compassionate caregiver. I excel at building rapport with patients and their families, which I believe is crucial for effective care. I am also a lifelong learner, always eager to expand my knowledge through research and professional development opportunities. Now, regarding to work ethics, I believe in the balance of both hard work and smart work. Hard work lays the foundation for success, but working smart ensures that we use our time and resources more efficiently. In nursing, this means being diligent in our task while also seeking innovative solutions to improve patient care. So in the next 5 years, I guess I'll be a registered nurse and a kind of nurse that takes care of people who are in need of attention. But at those times, I think that I am still learning and making myself better and better. So my motto is that failure is our teacher because every mistake or failure in our lives we learn from it and be a better version of ourselves than we were yesterday.